One of the most important decisions you'll have to make when starting your YouTube channel is deciding on a niche. Everything from your target audience to the types of brand collaborations you can pursue will be determined by it. And of course, it greatly impacts how much money you can make on YouTube. While it is theoretically possible to earn money on YouTube in any niche, from history to sewing, it is far more difficult in some than others. If you're watching this, you want to figure out what the popular niches are so you can start a YouTube channel and start making money from it in 2023. Watch this video. Welcome to Debt Busters. Today's video will focus on the top 3 viral niches. We will show you examples of channels in different niches, reveal how much some of these channels earn, and explain how you can generate videos similar to what these channels make. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community posts. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. It is tough to determine which niches are the most profitable. It ultimately comes down to individual YouTubers' monetization strategies, audience engagement, and video quality. That's also why the amount YouTube compensates you for 1 million views might vary considerably. However, CPM, cost per mil, might be used as a comparator. This is the amount that YouTube's partner program pays creators for 1,000 ad views. CPM indicates how interested marketers are in investing in content in a specific niche and reaching out to YouTubers' viewers. The greater the level of engagement, the easier it is to monetize your channel through ads and other means such as brand collaborations. The good news is that all 3 niches we will show you today are viral, have a high CPM, and have a broad audience. We'll start by showing you examples of channels in the top 3 niches, and then we'll discuss how you can create videos in the 3 niches since the method is the same. All earnings described use the niche's historical CPM and are before YouTube takes their 45% share of the revenue. With that said, allow me to show you these niches. Starting with niche number 3, this niche is known as the men's development niche. The men's development niche has a CPM of $7 and is now one of the most viral niches. Many creators who have entered this sector and begun making videos about it have gone viral. Andrew Tate is one of these people. Random videos of Andrew Tate advising guys on how to better themselves have been circulating on social media in recent months, and this is what has made him famous. This niche is doing so well because the man, as the leader of the home, requires a lot of coaching to transition from being a young boy to being masculine and capable of handling his responsibilities. Men's development is a broad term that incorporates all themes that lead to self-improvement. Self-improvement includes increasing self-esteem, self-confidence, spirituality, and so on. We can all grow and become better versions of ourselves. Some people are better than others at self-improvement. As a result, they decide to help others in their search for self-improvement by making faceless YouTube videos that guide and counsel those who want to be better versions of themselves. Even though Andrew Tate was showing his face, you can do it without showing your face, which is where developing a cash cow YouTube channel comes in. So if you don't want to show your face or use your voice, don't worry. You may still create content in this niche without doing so. Let me show you an example channel that is doing this. Artistic Motivation is a superb example channel in the men's development niche. This is a faceless YouTube channel dedicated to mentoring and guiding men. This channel was created on July 2nd, 2021 and now has over 300,000 subscribers. One thing I particularly like about this channel is how they make their videos. No one shows their face and all you see are different stock footage attempting to explain what is said in the voiceover. One of the most popular videos uploaded on this channel is 8 life lessons men learn too late in life. This video was only uploaded 2 months ago and has already received over 2 million views. This indicates that videos in the men's development niche perform well. So how much does this channel make per month? According to Social Blade's stats, this channel received about 3,500,000 views in the last 30 days, helping them make between $865 and $13,800. Even while this is a considerable sum, it is essential to note that these figures are wrong. Social Blade calculates these earnings using a CPM range of $0.25 to $4, which differs from the accurate CPM for the men's development niche. Depending on your location, the accurate CPM is between $0.63 and $7 on the high end. So using the correct CPM, we calculated and discovered that this channel earned between $2,380 and $24,500 in the last 30 days. Can you imagine earning over $20,000 per month only from ad revenue? These channels might earn much more if they used additional monetization methods, such as affiliate marketing. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, then have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you've had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your own face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. The second niche on the list is the investing niche. There is no doubt why the investing niche is one of YouTube's most popular. Many people work in many professions to make money and live a comfortable life. So if you inform them on how to invest their money correctly, they will be able to make more money. And thus you will attract more viewers to your channel, and your channel will grow. The advantage of the investing niche is that you mainly discuss money. This draws more investors, resulting in a CPM between $25 and $40, depending on where you live. The Swedish Investor is a wonderful example channel in this niche. This channel was created on April 3rd, 2017 and already has over 700,000 subscribers. One thing I like about this channel is how they use animation to illustrate everything that is said in the voiceover, which makes it so successful. This channel has a great example video, The Intelligent Investor's Road to $1 Million. This video was uploaded 10 months ago and had nearly 3 million views. When you watch this video, you will notice that no one is showing their face. All we see are various animations attempting to illustrate what is being stated in the voiceover. So how much does this channel make? According to Social Blade stats, this channel received 724,103 views in the last 30 days, estimated to have earned this channel between $181 and $2,900 that month. Using the correct CPM, we estimated that this channel might earn between $18,102 and $29,084. If they use additional revenue-generating techniques, such as affiliate marketing, they can earn up to $40,000 from all of their sources of income. The last niche on the list is the economics niche. The economics niche is another niche that is going viral. This niche is about explaining a country's state in terms of the production and consumption of goods and services and the money supply. Focusing on the economic status of a country like China will help your channel grow, since many people are interested in what is going on with China's economy. Don't worry if you need to learn about economics. With a bit of research and watching the news, you may create content in this niche. The wonderful thing about this niche is that it has a high CPM of $30 to $35, and since it is now the most viral, I am confident you will be able to obtain a lot of views and make a lot of money, so long as you avoid controversial topics. Economics Explained is an example channel in this niche. This channel only describes the economic situations of various countries. They also attempt to forecast where a country's economy will be in a given period. This channel has an excellent example video titled MIT has predicted society will collapse in 2040. This video was uploaded a year ago and has received over 10 million views. This shows that people are interested in learning about the state of the economy. If you want to get into this niche, we recommend you start by creating content about China's economy, since that is currently doing well in this niche. An example video about China's economy was uploaded recently titled, Does China Lie About Its Economic Statistic? This video was only uploaded 4 days ago, but it already has nearly 500,000 views. That demonstrates that content about China's economy is performing exceptionally well in the economics niche. So how much did this channel make in the last 30 days? According to Social Blade stats, this channel received about 3 million views in the previous 30 days, earning between $734 and $11,700. Even if these estimates seem significant, they are not correct. Using the correct CPM of between $30 and $35, this channel is expected to bring in between $88,000 and $102,795. After YouTube deducts its 45%, you get to keep the balance, which is still a substantial sum. So how do you make these videos without showing your face or using your voice? Let me walk you through the procedure, because it is the same for all three niches we discussed previously. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you may already be familiar with the process. However, please bear with me while I bring our new viewers up to speed. After you've decided on a niche, the next step is to look for video title ideas to use in your video. There are two approaches here. You can visit some of your niche's most successful YouTube channels and write down 10 video title ideas from their most popular YouTube videos. When you write down 10 video title ideas from 5 different YouTube channels, you will have over 50 video titles at the end of the day. This ensures that you can continue making these videos due to needing more title ideas. The second method for finding video titles is to use VidIQ, free software that displays the key terms people are searching for and provides inspiration for your titles. After deciding on a title, you must research and prepare a script. I recommend writing your script if you have more time than money. While some freelancers will write a full script for you, it will not be a blank canvas if you can provide the structure. Starting with a blank canvas can be challenging, especially if you do it yourself. You'll need to do a lot of research on the subject, such as watching many videos and taking detailed notes. Your script will look fantastic. We're following successful channels leads because they're successful. Modeling success does not necessitate exact replication or using the same framework. It will be easier to compose the script if you have the structure written down. After writing a script, I recommend running it through Copyscape to guarantee that it is original and free of copyright breaches. After writing the script, the next step is to record the voiceover. If you need more confidence in your voice or want to use it since English isn't your first language, I recommend hiring a voiceover artist on UpWork.com for as little as $5 to do the voiceover for you. This is based on the assumption that you have more money than time. If you have more time than money, do your voiceovers. This is precisely what most YouTubers do when they first start their channel. If you wish to record it yourself, you'll need a microphone. If you want to spend money on something other than a good microphone, I recommend using your phone. Most people watching this video, I'm sure, have a smartphone, and recording voiceovers is as easy as using your phone's built-in voice recording program. If neither of these options suit you, you may consider trying a text-to-speech or TTS solution. Many low-quality TTS programs exist, but they won't help you get monetized on YouTube, nor will they convert viewers to customers for your affiliate products. You'll need a sophisticated, natural-sounding TTS solution like Descript, the most human-like TTS program on the market. Try Descript for free using my link in the description. After you finish your script and narration, it's time to start collecting videos, photos, and content for your video. This is important since it will give listeners a clear grasp of what you are attempting to express in your video. You can obtain free stock images and videos from Pexels.com and Pixabay.com to use in your YouTube video. Some investing channels, such as the one we looked at earlier, prefer animation over stock video. If you wish to use animation, you can hire a freelancer on UpWork.com to create them for you. If you have more money than time, AI-assisted video editing software like Pictory can help you create copyright-free clips in just 5 minutes. Pictory will insert the voiceover and search for stock images and videos that correspond to what the voiceover says. You'll save time and money because you won't have to pay a voiceover artist or video editor. Try Pictory for free using my link in the description. After you've acquired your videos and images, all that remains now is to edit your script, voiceover, and stock videos together. If you use Pictory for free, as I said earlier, you're done. Suppose you want to edit the videos using your phone, download Power Director, which allows you to edit and upload your videos to YouTube. Assuming you were using a computer, which I recommend because it has many features that a phone does not have, it will allow you to optimize your videos better. If you're working on a laptop, I recommend OpenShot, which you can find at openshot.org, or Camtasia, which is even better because it allows you to record audio within it, making things much more accessible. Once you've completed all the steps, your video will be great and you'll be able to upload it to your channel. I'm sure you now understand how these faceless YouTube channels are created. We'd love to hear what you think about this. Which of the 3 faceless niches mentioned above do you want to start a channel about? Comment down below, let's engage. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2023 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Now you have options on which niches to use to make your faceless cash cow videos. But that doesn't help you don't know what YouTube automation even is. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know what is YouTube automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.